In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I use n8n to take a video that I've produced and generate a title, description, and tags, and a really catchy video thumbnail, and upload it to YouTube, LinkedIn, and X. So to get started, I'm just going to kick off the workflow. So the first thing we're going to do is follow this path, which generates a prompt with Gemini, and we use that prompt to create an image. And when we create the image with Gemini, we need a reference image so that my face is going to be on the thumbnail. So this is going to be our reference image here. And basically, when I kick off the workflow, we read that image I just showed you from my disk, and I store it in this merge node. So it's kind of waiting. The image is in the merge node. And when the workflow is kicked off, we start with a video here. And what we do is we pull the audio off of the video, we transcribe the video with Whisper, and then we take the transcription from the video and we give it to ChatGPT here, and we instruct ChatGPT to create a really great prompt for us for Gemini. So once this prompt is written, which it just finished, we have our reference image and then a prompt, and then we send that to Gemini to create our thumbnail. So it looks like it just finished. I'm going to switch over here, and this is our thumbnail image. So this is going to be what people see when we're kind of showing the video on YouTube. So that's saved on my computer right now, and it's kind of just waiting. Once the YouTube video gets uploaded here, we're basically going to update the YouTube video with an HTTP request with that image. And just a quick walkthrough of how we upload the videos to YouTube. So we start with a video that's ready to go, and we load it from the disk, and we put it into this merge node here. It's basically like we have a video waiting here, and we need some metadata before we continue to upload it to all the platforms. So the first thing we do is we load the video, push it to the merge node, and then we generate metadata from the video. And so this is the title, description, and some tags. So once we have all that metadata, oh, I'm actually accidentally uploading it to X and LinkedIn. Didn't really want to do that, but that's fine. So we have metadata. We upload it to YouTube, LinkedIn, and X. And then after it's uploaded to YouTube, we update the thumbnail. I'm going to flip over to here. There we go. We got our new video. This is sort of just a test video I recorded. It's like 25 seconds long. But you can see how with very little effort, we go from a reference image and a produced video to get it on 3 platforms with a thumbnail image. Pretty cool stuff. And just so you can see, this video actually got uploaded to LinkedIn and to my Twitter account. I'm going to delete it since it's just a test video. But yeah, hope you learned something here.